Welcome to Monkeys Talk and Unlock Book 6, Lesson 2. Today's grammar is called Telling the Story. We'll learn how to use past continuous and past simple to describe what was happening and what suddenly happened. When we use past continuous, it means something was happening for a while. Then, we use past simple to show what suddenly happened. We can join both actions together using when or while. Let's practice together. I was walking to school when it started to rain. She was eating dinner while she was watching TV. They were playing soccer when the bell rang. Now it's your turn. Choose the correct form. Great job! You learned how to tell stories with past continuous and past simple. Remember, something was happening, and then something happened.